this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your matchmaking region here in Fortnite Chapter 7. This is super easy to do, and we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do is go up to the top right corner and select your profile icon, and then go down to the settings gear icon right here. When you are in your settings, go ahead and go up on the very top and select game. It should be the fourth tab up there. And by default, you may see this matchmaking region set to something like auto, which usually does end up picking the best server for you. But if you want to play with friends on another region, or if you just want to switch servers manually, just scroll through this and select whatever region you would like. Just keep in mind, the lower the ping, the better connection you are going to have. Higher numbers just mean you're going to have more lag. For me, obviously, NA Central does have the least amount of ping, so I'm going to select that, hit apply, and after you hit apply, you've successfully changed your matchmaking region here in Chapter 7. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.